This is how to turn on dark mode on Google Chrome. The first and most obvious thing that you would of course have to have first is Google Chrome itself. So if you haven't already, make sure to go to Firefox or Internet Explorer, look up Google Chrome and go through the steps of installing Chrome. Once you've done that, let's go and open up Chrome. Before you open Chrome up, it might ask you if you'd like to create a profile or if you already have a profile. Go and click on that. Alright, once you've successfully opened up Chrome, we're going to go to the top right to these three dots right here. We're going to go down here to settings. On the left side, you're going to see appearance. Press on that. And right here where it says mode, you're going to be light or device on default. Let's go and go to dark. Let's go and change it to dark. Also on this first option, Chrome also gives the option of changing your overall theme in Chrome. So if you open up this page and scroll all the way down, you can see some different types of themes that you might like as well. That's how to change Google Chrome to dark mode.